Adobe was once loved by the entire stock market. It commanded a very high valuation. No one challenged its moat, and everybody kept investing in it. But that's all changed now. And in this video, in just 6 minutes, we're going to go over and talk about if Adobe is undervalued and what I'm seeing. So let's get into it. So here we see that over the last 5 years, Adobe's actually down 33%. So if you bought this company 5 years ago in 2021, you would be down 33%. That's not good. But I'm here to tell you, if you're not invested in this company yet, you are looking to start a position, I think it's a really good buy right now. And that's why I've been accumulating this stock consistently. Adobe, if you don't know, operates as a technology company worldwide. Its digital media segment offers products, services, enables individuals, teams, and enterprises to create, publish, and promote content. Document Cloud, a cloud based document service platform, and Creative Cloud, a subscription service that allows subscriptions to use its creative products and applications and apps integrated to cloud delivered service across various services and platforms. The segment services serves photographers, video editors, graphic and experience designers, game developers, content creators, students, marketers, knowledge workers, and consumers. The two main products PDF and Photoshop. Now, moving on, we can see if we look at my high five snapshot, this is in along with tons of other stocks in my high five collective community. If you want access to that, I'll leave the link in my description and pinned comment below. But Adobe, we can see that we are currently 30% margin of safety, 31% margin of safety on EPS, DCF intrinsic. Our fair values are 457 and 465. And we're currently, like we just talked about, sitting at a lowly $320 per share. And just so you know, these are based off very, very conservative, if not bearish assumptions, guys. So getting a 30% margin of safety to the upside, very, very nice, knowing that this is based off conservative or undervalued or slightly bearish take, basically. We look at the chart here, we can see that Adobe has now, for only the third time in its history since 1987, has a RSI this low. First time was 2008, 2009 housing crash. The second time was the 2022 bear market. And now 2025, where everybody thinks AI is going to destroy Adobe. I don't believe so. I believe Adobe's their own AI products are vastly catching up or passing a lot of the competitors that have seen some growth in their areas of Photoshop-esque products. I think Adobe's doing a very good job. They're buying back shares like crazy, spiking their EPS higher. Their free cash flow is still phenomenal. They're going to continue to do Apple-like things and buy back shares like crazy. And if we just look at this, we are going to be very close to this key support from 250-ish to $320 range. This range is where I'm going to be accumulating most of my Adobe shares if we continue to fall. If not, I will continue to accumulate month in and month out because I see the long-term trajectory of Adobe. I believe in this company. I think they are a moat and still have a moat out there. And I believe they will continue to grow like crazy. Again, 30% margin of safety based on very conservative, slightly bearish assumptions. We're at key support on the monthly chart. We're at the lowest RSI that we've only hit two other times in extremely bad conditions, right? Housing market crash, 2022 bear market, and now the markets are right around all-time highs, and now they're down here again. Again, could we be wrong? Of course we could, but I don't think I'm wrong on this. And if you haven't catch my other video, I just sold Google to fund this new buy and investment in Adobe. So one last thing, we look here at Simply Wall Street, we go to the valuation, we can see that they actually have a fair value of $578 compared to current price of $320, almost 45% margin of safety or 45% undervalued. I'm seeing the same things that I saw with Google when Google was extremely undervalued. and everybody's writing it off to the AI thesis, and everybody's saying AI is going to disrupt Google. I'm seeing the same thing with Adobe now. And I did catch Google in the 140s, 150s, 160s, 170s, basically sub 200. I was buying it like crazy. And I took the ride all the way up to 320, where I exited stage right. Now I'm going to do the same thing with Adobe here. I think it's a great investment. It's not for everybody. If you don't believe in the company, if you don't have conviction, of course, do your own research. But that is why I think Adobe is undervalued and is a great buy for me personally today. Thanks, guys. Hope you like this. Catch you guys in the next one.